You see how foggy it is outside? Tilly, I'm glad you're here. We have a problem. It's foggy outside, and I've been talking to Santa, and he's pretty upset because he needs Rudolph.
Well, Rick, I had Rudolph scheduled.
Yeah.
But I didn't want him to get here and already be tired from flying.
Okay.
He's flying business class, and
yeah.
You know how the airport is this time of year.
Yeah.
His flight's delayed.
Well, we need a replacement.
Well, I don't suppose anybody has a small mammal of any sort. Rick, did you bring any small mammals?
Well, not a human.
Hey, I'm gonna need a small.
I do have something, but you have to be very quiet. I have a special friend I brought, and if he gets loose. Okay. Oh, good. Okay. Oh. I'm worried. I'm a little worried about this guy. This is, you okay, Rocky? Yeah? Shh, everybody quiet. He's shaking. Rocky. Maybe Rocky. Rocky, have you ever flown in a sleigh? No? Rocky, would you like to try flying in a sleigh? You think we should let him try it? Well, the problem is he doesn't have a red nose.
Well, we can help. Some animals in nature have bioluminescence.
Yeah.
And I couldn't help but notice Rocky doesn't, but I did get this out of a 25-cent machine on my way over.
Oh, okay.
That might just do the trick.
So can you say Rocky the green-nosed raccoon? Now, I don't know how we're going to fly him, but do you have any ideas?
I've come specially prepared.
Oh, my goodness. You okay, Rocky?
I stayed up all night watching a very scientific documentary called Up, and
Up?
I think I know what I'm about.
Oh, Rocky.
You think he'll hold still? Oh,
I don't know. Rocky, okay. Oh,
his nose.
Rocky, with your nose so green, won't you...
guide this balloon machine.
I know. Hey, wait. Is there a veterinarian in the audience? We hope not. Okay.
All right.
You're kidding me. So that is helium. What do you know about helium? Let out and pass that on back.
There you go.
So helium is a gas, and it's pretty rare, but what we know about helium is that it's lighter than air, and so it's floating and sinking. Warning, warning. Push him back up, please. Let's give a round of applause for Rocky the Green Nose. Why are you going in?
It's a big one. I'm pulling him back.
Now, believe it or not, that little demo is a $225 demo because helium is expensive these days. If any of you kids or parents would like a helium balloon for Christmas, see us after the show. Helium is so cool of a gas that we found a big deposit of it out in Texas and it was stuck underneath rocks that wouldn't let it go out. And when the scientists got it and put it in big cans to save it, because you know why we need helium. If you're going in space, you want a rocket that doesn't leak. So they build the rocket, fill it with helium, and check for leaks. If you're going to walk in space, you need a spacesuit that doesn't leak. So they fill it with helium, make sure it doesn't leak. Well, the trouble is the scientists went back to those cans, and guess what happened? The helium was so small that they made the wrong kind of tanks, and they lost all the helium. So we need to save our helium.